Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get paint.net and download it on your PC. Get now. So this is very easy to do. Just go over to google.com and we can type in paint.net. And once we do that, we want to go to the first link. This is going to be getpaint.net. So we can click on this. On the top, here's the direct URL right here, getpaint.net. Now, you might see like a Microsoft version. We don't need to go to this one. This is going to cost like $15, I think, if we open this up. So let me go to the second window here. $15, so you can get this for free. I mean, if you really want to get it through here, I think it will just update in the background automatically for you. And I don't know if you can put plugins on here or not. I don't have it. But you can just go to the website here. Right here, it says free download, paint.net. Go to the .pdn one right here, not the Microsoft one. Unless you want to pay for it, go ahead. But they give it away for free. So once you go here, go to paint.net. And then download this on your computer. Open this up when it pops up in the top right. And you're going to get this little file explorer. We can go to the application here. Click on it and go to yes. And now it's going to start installing for you. We can go to continue. I already have it on my computer, so I'm not going to completely reinstall it again. So it's going to extract all the files for you. And it should open up once it's done. Now, one of the best things about paint.net is you can add effects to it. So all these different effects I added later on. And it makes it a powerful tool for anything you want to do in the future. Like Adobe Photoshop, you can get similar effects and stuff. So to get effects, just go to google.com and type in paint.net plugins or something like that. And we want to go to where it says install plugins, get paint.net. And it's going to bring us to the installing plugins screen. I'm going to choose the forums, paint.net forums. And we might be able to find some plugin packs or the plugin index right here. It has all these different plugins under here. Background, remover, photos. We can look through here if we want. Most of the time I just go to the bottom by sort by, and I'll just go to the most viewed and see what people are looking at, what they like. Otherwise, you have these plugin packs. You can download these packs. They just have them pinned on top, I believe. And then we can just go to like the most viewed under here too. Some of these will be pretty good, like Pyro's Child. We can just select this. And some of them will be really easy to install. Otherwise, you'll have to put it into the effects folder. So like this one, it's going to be super easy to install. We'll just install it. So we can open it up. Now, other ones, like TR Alpha, I just saw. It'll be a little bit more difficult to install. So we can go to next, go to I agree, and it'll just install it to paint.net for you. I downloaded a different one, TR's Alpha right here. Once I have the zip file downloaded, I want to cut it. And I want to go to where it says Windows, or actually I can go to this PC on the left. Go to the one with the Windows logo by it. Otherwise, wherever you have paint.net on, it could be on a different drive. And then I want to go to program files on that drive and go to paint.net. Here's paint.net. Go to effects and paste that add-on, that plugin, the effects into this effects folder. Looks like I already have this. Once you have it pasted in here, you can go back to it and you'll see everything is under effects now, and you can use that on here. So just go through the different forums here, looking for cool effects you like. And you can find some really good ones like green screen cutouts, stuff like that. So I have a bunch of them. I like it. Bolt's GPU. Is this the one I really like? So yeah, just look at all these and you can try them out. Delete the ones you don't like or just keep them on there. I think I might already have this pack, but it makes it super easy to use. I love paint.net. I really do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.